Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In today's video, we will understand about drugs as medicines and how medicines work. Do you know what are drugs? Well, drugs are the substances that make our body change in some way. There are many drugs that have good effects, but some drugs have bad effects on our body. For example, tobacco. Tobacco is the drug in cigarettes that can damage our lungs. Whereas, medicines are drugs that make our bodies better when we are sick. How do we get sick? We get sick because germs enter in our body through our nose or maybe through our hands. And how do we know we are sick? When we are sick, we have signs of illness which are known as symptoms, such as fever, flu, or cough. Now look at the picture of a man suffering from flu. He has the symptoms of fever, headache, and running nose. Well, his all symptoms can be cured by taking the medicines prescribed to him by the doctors. Medicines help to kill the germs and make the illness go away. We take different kind of medicines in different ways, such as tablet and capsules with a glass of water, syrup, medicine through inhaler, and sometimes directly into our blood through injection or through IV drip. Dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed learning about medicines and their use. Jazakallah khair and Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.